So guess what I'm doing today? I am making some old things new. When money's tight, and this is a very old bottle of yellow that has changed colors to like a red. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a swirl. I'm dumping the whole thing in there. Look at that. Alright? And I'm going to use the bottle to mix it. Now, make sure I have an old red towel in there. You can take anything, even paper. It comes out orange. So, this is great if you love orange. It looked like it was going to be red. So it still stayed the color. So that's perfect. You can even lay this out to dry if you need a certain color paper for anything. So I'm going to go ahead and even ladies, you're going to love this. And men, if you need to spice up the undergarments, woo, stick it in there, right? If you need to do some pantyhose, stick them in there. If you need to do some gloves, stick them in there. A handkerchief, tie-dye style, stick it in there. A ribbon, stick it in there. And then we're going to swirl it all up like so. Okay? We're going to let it